Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Indian Kitchen Abroad. Diwali is around the corner. In fact, it's tomorrow. But I filmed all this a week before Diwali. It takes time to edit. So I thought I would make a dessert for this Diwali or a week before Diwali. I'm making a simple one, rice pudding, kheer or rice kheer. It's one of my favorites to eat and one of the easiest desserts to cook. It's impossible to mess this up. No matter how you cook, it's going to be good. All you need is like 40 minutes of active time and you have an amazing dessert to eat. Well, 40 minutes depends on the quantity you're cooking. I'm aiming for about 4 to 5 servings. For that, you need about 40 minutes of time. I said it's going to be good no matter how you cook. Don't take it too seriously. It's going to be good as long as you don't add any weird stuff. It's not complicated. That's what I mean. And don't burn the milk. It's going to be good. To start with, add 1 liter of milk to a wide and thick bottomed pan and stir until the milk reduces to half of the initial quantity. It's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes for that. Keep stirring. You don't want to burn the milk. And when you're stirring, make sure the spatula touches the bottom of pan. Otherwise, milk at the bottom will burn and stick to the pan. Not just the bottom, occasionally scrape down the sides of the pan as well. After about 15 to 20 minutes, milk will be reduced to half of the initial quantity. This time may vary depending on the intensity of your heat, so keep an eye on it. At this stage, add 1/4 cup of rice to the milk and cook until the rice is done. Wash the rice for 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear. Along with the rice, add a teaspoon of cardamom seeds. Not whole cardamom seeds. Seeds inside the pods. Along with the cardamom seeds, add few saffron strands as well. Saffron gives a subtle yellow color which looks really good. Apart from the color, saffron gives a nice floral taste as well to the kheer. If you don't have saffron, skip it. And please don't use turmeric powder to get that yellow color. Turmeric powder gives a totally different taste that doesn't go well with this. Cook this for about 12 to 15 minutes until the rice is cooked. Once the rice is cooked, now is the time to add sugar. This comes down to personal preference. I don't like it too sweet. For 1/4 cup of rice, I used about 50 grams of sugar. Taste it and add more if necessary. Like I said, sweetness depends on your taste. Along with the sugar, add a touch of fennel powder. Cook this for another 4 to 5 minutes until the sugar melts. And don't forget to scrape down the sides of the pan. I'm going to let that cook in the background while I roast some dry fruits. You can use any nuts you want. I'm roasting few cashew nuts, almonds and golden raisins in a tablespoon of ghee. I slice the almonds because they are too big for my taste. You can keep them whole if you want. Roast them for a minute till you get some nice color on them, and raisins will balloon up when you're cooking. That's an indication to stop cooking. If you cook them any further, they're going to burn. Save few nuts for the garnish at the end. Add the roasted nuts to the kheer along with the ghee. Give it a stir and simmer it for a minute. And that's it. It's done. Like I said, it's very easy. But consistency is very important for this. Milk should coat the back of a spoon. We talked about consistency in the last 2 videos as well. It's really important no matter what you cook. That consistency is what will give that mouthfeel when you taste anything. If the consistency is not right, that means water quantity is more in that. And water is tasteless. Top it off with some nuts and raisins and few saffron strands. I cannot recommend this more guys. This was really good and very easy to make. All you need is like time. It takes about 40 minutes for 5 to 6 servings, which I think is a pretty good deal. And that's it guys. Consistency is the main thing for this, not saffron. Get that consistency right, it's going to be good. Try this and let me know how it turns out for you. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, thank you. Drop a like if you like the video and comment down below what you think about this video. I'll see you next time. Happy Diwali.